Hey, I'm Matthew Reeds from National Software School's Cohort 38, and thanks for joining me for my back-end capstone. So this is Birdie. On the landing page, it's going to welcome you and ask you to either register or log in. So we'll go ahead and register just as myself. And so the landing page, when you're logged in, is going to welcome you to the app. It's going to give you a brief description of what to do when you're in the app as well. And our first link here is going to be our park section. So in this section, we can save parks, any of our favorite parks that we like to play at. Clicking on the link just gives you a description of where it's at. You can either edit or delete or add more if you'd like to as well. The bags link gives you your specific bags. So I've saved 3 disc golf bags here. When you click into those bags, it's going to show you what you've added to it. So think of these like loadouts to take to a different park when you play. So right now there's the Spider, the Knight, and the Riot in the Adidas bag. When you click on the individual disc, it's going to give you some description of the flight rating and what kind of disc it is. You can edit and delete that as well. So when you click the Fill Your Bag button, it takes you to the full list of discs that you've saved. Same thing, whenever you click on the name of the disc, it's going to give you full descriptions of each one, or you can save a new disc as well. So when we go back and we say we want the Hydra putter, say if we want to edit that and put it now into our ANOVA bag, and we submit that, we can go to our bags and look in our ANOVA. We see that now we have Hydra added to the other 3 that we already had. So now we know that our ANOVA bag has these 4 discs in there when we take it out to a park to play. So the games section, I've got 4 recorded games here. They're listed by date, so they're always in order. You can save a new game. We can pick our ANOVA bag that we took out. Say we played at Naval Hill today, and we were crushing it. We had a +4 score. Now we played yesterday. We'll go ahead and save that. So 625, give us details on when we played, where we played, what the score was. We can edit and delete that as well if we'd like to. And the best feature in Birdie, I would say, is being able to brag about your scores, right? So the other users are listed here. If we click on Adrian Reed's username, you can see that I've sent him a message and just told him I took my new driver out, got a +6 that day. And he responded with, whoa, you've been practicing. So we've got a back and forth dialogue here between the 2 of us. So if we go back, we can look at this user's messages as well. So I've sent Joe a message, hasn't responded back to me. That's okay. But with Steven, we've started a dialogue. So it's all user specific as well. So those are the 4 links at the bottom for the app. At the top, we just have an account button that gives us some details on our username, first and last, and we can edit some of that if we don't want that personal information in the app as well. So overall, that's Birdie. Thanks for joining.